It's Tutorial Tuesday and I'll be showing you how you can cash in sa Gcash coming from your security bank account. It's Ellen the Marvel and welcome back to my channel. So basically po wala pong option makapag-cash in sa Gcash directly coming from your security bank account. So what we're gonna need to do is to make a balance transfer from your security bank account to your Gcash. Same goes po with other banks na hindi available sa Gcash, balance transfer lang po ang gagawin natin. So, unang gagawin po natin is mag-login po sa security bank, whether sa full website or on the app. In this video though, I'll be logging into the security bank app. So, once login po, just choose the desired bank account na pagkagamitan niyo po. And then right after that, go to other banks, the one on the upper part of the screen. Then you have to fill out the information. So, choose the bank na pagtatransferan nyo, which is yung Gcash, of course. And then yung account name, kung kanino nyo siya itatransfer. And then right after that, yung account number, which is yung Gcash number, and then the amount, kung magkano ita-transfer ninyo. And then right after that, you have to put the remarks. For the remarks, though it's optional, you can skip to that or you can put allowance, whatever. And then right after that, you have to hit the I agree the terms and condition, and then you click submit. Right after clicking submit po, the system would generate a one-time PIN for security. Once receiving the one-time PIN, just put it in the system, and then right after that, the security bank app would ask you to confirm, and then right after confirming, that's it. So again, this is Ellie the Marvel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.